Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. In this video, we're filming a 1957 Chevy truck, a 3100 that belongs to my buddy Alex. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please let us know with a big like. And if it is your first time passing by the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Let's go.
What's up guys, I'm Alex Alpizar and this is my 1957 Chevy 3100. This truck was an original California truck. I bought it from a guy in San Diego. It was a full frame-off restoration, which it was done when I bought. All the paint, bodywork was already done. Everything was done over there in California. The exterior remains pretty much stock, but all the emblems, everything have been shaved to give it the cleaner look. What I recently did was a crate LS3, added the AC to it so it can be comfortable and reliable. The build was done by Mario at Florida Hot Rod. Another detail that I added here was the box to cover the battery, so now I have to relocate it. And brought the booster pump, went with Willwood and brought it to the firewall and took it out from under the frame. The interior, the seats are actually made of 4 Pendleton shirts. I put the Dakota digital gauges on it, which still looks factory, but it has all the modern features to it. The vintage air, I ended up putting the vents on the side incorporated to the dash to give it more of a stock look. Has custom sound system with 2 8-inch subwoofers under the seat and the amp, but it still looks factory. And for the latches, I ended up going with the Altman latches. So basically, it's safer, and obviously I don't have to slam the door. You can just shut it, and it closes like a modern car. And the hood hinges, I ended up getting the Eddie Motorsports, also for security purposes, and obviously look a lot nicer. This truck, it took me a little bit to find because I wanted specifically the 57 because it has the 1-year only front grille, and the hood also has these raised fins to resemble also the 57 Bel Air. And I also wanted the big back window. In the rear, on the tailgate, it has a hand silver leafed and pinstriped Chevy, which is a small detail which adds a touch to it. The bed was darkened and stained to kind of flow with the rest of the truck. All the AccuAir tanks and compressors are underneath. And the wheels are 15s by 8. They're wider than the stock ones, but it gives it a more aggressive look, but still looking kind of original. And the steering wheel, we have the same silver leaf with the pinstriping that matches the tailgate lettering, and hand silver leaf also, and pinstripes with the truck's name, Stella. And for the AccuAir, show you guys how it works. Start it up. Right now it's in the low position. Typically, when I want to cruise low, I go to setting 1 and it automatically goes to the low setting, which I can drive, on flat roads and stuff like that. My normal ride height, it automatically adjusts to the weight of the truck. I'll go to number 2, which is the setting that I usually cruise on. And if I'm going into a shopping center, over speed bumps, or somewhere where I need additional clearance, I go to number 3, and this raises it up all the way. And as you can see here, the Dakota Digital gives it the stock look, but when you turn it on, it has the matching lights. I could change the color of the lighting. I could change the displays down here with the switch that I have somewhere here. It gives me all the fuel, the range, all the modern stuff, but it still keeps the original looking cluster. It tells you everything: temperature, water, oil, fuel, everything. And the vintage air, I decided to go with the original looking controls on the dash so that it looks factory. And the radio is also factory looking, but
You get Bluetooth and all of that.
I got Bluetooth underneath, everything. All modern, but still looks original. That's the look that I kind of went for the interior.
Well guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let us know with a big like. Like always, if it is your first time passing by the channel, go ahead and subscribe and follow Alex on social media at the Alex Pizar on Instagram. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys on the next one.